Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rewrite text in a different tone using AI Writer on OnePlus phone or tablet. To do it, you need to have a Smart Bar enabled. A Smart Bar is this little bar on either of the sides of the screen. If you slide it towards the center, it opens some different tools. If you don't have this bar enabled, go to the Settings, Accessibility and Convenience, then go to Smart Sidebar. Make sure Smart Sidebar is enabled as well as Smart Functions. They also need to be enabled for that. Now, go into an app that supports AI Writer, and I don't really know which apps to support it and why you need to open a certain app. I think that it should be also available on the home screen and in any app, but let's say we'll just open Gmail because I know it works in the Gmail. Now let's slide the Smart Bar towards the center and find AI Writer. Now, if you want to rewrite something in a different tone, you'll need to select the option to rewrite. Then enter the text to be rewritten. I'll get back to when I have it. Okay, I have it already in. You can see there's the whole text here. And once you slide down a bit, then you'll see options to shorten, continue writing, elaborate, or polish. So I'm gonna polish it. Let's click on rewrite. Wait a moment until it finishes it, and you can see it is polishing it. Now, if you click on change tone, you can change it to more concise, detailed, or polite. I'll set it to more concise. I think the text is a bit too long. It doesn't really have to be that long. And you can see it is changed. You can regenerate it if you didn't like it. You can rewrite it in like continue writing, shorten, elaborate, polish, and you can copy it to paste it somewhere. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.